Morning, students. Today we are going to learn about our new lesson, Bahmani Adil Shahs. See, Bahmani Adil Shahs dynasty established with the Vijayanagar Empire. Okay, Adil Shahs and Bahmani Adil Shahs and Vijayanagara Empire established in the same period. Okay, we can say up to same period. Now we shall go to the lesson. When Vijayanagara Empire was founded in the northern part, the Bahmani Empire was also founded in 1347 CE. Okay, when Vijayanagara Empire was founded in the southern part, the Bahmani dynasty also founded in the northern part. Bahmani dynasty was founded in 1347 CE. Okay, the founder of this dynasty is Alauddin Hassan Gangu Bahman Shah. Okay, Bahman Shah was working in the army of Delhi Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq. This founder, Bahman Shah, was working in the army of Delhi Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Now, Bahmani Sultans. Bahmani state had the parts of Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Andhra Pradesh states under its rule. Okay, this Bahmani state or Bahmani rule had the parts of Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Andhra Pradesh states under its rule. Okay. In the beginning of the dynasty, Kalaburgi was their capital and later it was shifted to Bidar. Okay. Bahmani Empire was in northern part of Krishna River and Vijayanagara Empire was in southern part of Krishna River. Okay. See, the Bahmani dynasty was in the northern part of Krishna River and the Vijayanagara Empire was in the southern part of Krishna River. Okay. Tajuddin Firoz Shah was the great sultan in Bahmani dynasty. Okay. Tajuddin Firoz Shah was the great sultan in Bahmani dynasty. Now we shall learn about Tajuddin Firoz Shah. Okay. Tajuddin Firoz Shah was liberal He was Tajuddin Firoz Shah was liberal, judicious, and a believer of God. Okay. He made the copies of Quran and edited it for his whole life. Okay. But Firoz Shah was a writer and encouraged all languages, and also he was an expert in geometry and theology. Okay. This Firoz Shah sheltered many philosophers, poets, artists, and honored them. Okay. He established observatory in Daulatabad. He also established an observatory in Daulatabad. And also he described the beauty of Kalaburgi, which was the capital of their dynasty. Okay, he also built a new city called Firozabad on the banks of Bhima River. Okay, he also built a city called Firozabad in the banks of Bhima River. He gifted many villages to a Sufi saint, Bande Nawaz, who arrived to his kingdom during his period. Okay, this Bande Nawaz received many villages as a gift from Firoz Shah. Okay, Firoz Shah concentrated on the development of ports, and as a result, foreign tourism was encouraged. Now we shall learn about Muhammad Gawan. Okay, Muhammad Gawan. All credits of making the Bahmani kingdom great goes to Muhammad Gawan. Basically, Muhammad Gawan was a Persian and worked honestly as a prime minister in the reign of Sultanate Muhammad Shah III. Okay, Muhammad Gawan was the prime minister during the reign of Sultanate called Muhammad Shah III. Okay. we can see the prominent Bahmani sultans. They are Alauddin Hasan Gangu Bahman Shah, Firoz Shah, Ahmad Shah, and Muhammad Shah III. Okay. Now we shall learn about the important facts about Muhammad Gawan. Okay, Muhammad Gawan also captured Hubballi, Belagavi, and Goa from the Vijayanagara Empire. Okay, administration was according to Islamic laws during the reign of Muhammad Shah III or Muhammad Gawan. Now, Muhammad Gawan encouraged revenue and postal services. Okay. He fixed the taxes on the basis of land's fertility and irrigation facility. Okay. Muhammad Gawan also fixed the taxes on the basis of land's fertility and irrigation facility. This tax was collected only in the form of cash, and this was also income of kingdom. He removed some taxes which were annoying the people. Okay. Muhammad Gawan was a philosopher himself and founded Madrasa, a university in Bidar. Okay. He encouraged Islamic religion and law education, astronomy, mathematics, history were being studied here. Okay. In Madrasa, Islamic religion and law education was encouraged, and astronomy, mathematics, and history were being studied here. Okay. Free education and hostel facilities were there. Here, free education and hostel facilities were there. Okay. In Madrasa, around 3,000 manuscripts were there in the library of Madrasa. Okay. Around 3,000 manuscripts. Okay. Now, Muhammad contributed a lot in making Bahmani kingdom great. See, all the credit of making the Bahmani kingdom great. Okay. Bahmani kingdom great goes to Muhammad. Okay. Muhammad Gawan. Regional leaders who were controlling some part, okay, were jealous of Muhammad Gawan and his fame, and they all conspired him to have murdered. Okay, on the Gawan's tomb it is written that innocent Gawan was killed. Okay, thank you friends. This is all about the greatest kings of Bahmani sultans. In next class, we learn about the cultural contributions. Okay.